Hi messy people, today's video is on these famous Amos Inspired Butterscotch Cookies, and if you want to know how I made these, do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be plain flour, butterscotch chips, butter, white sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, cream of tartar, coffee emulco, vanilla extract, salt, egg, vegetable oil, and milk. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your butter, brown sugar, and white sugar, and then you can mix using your beater. Then you can add in your vegetable oil, and then your coffee emulco, vanilla extract, salt, and cream of tartar. And this coffee emulco or coffee oil that they are saying that helps with the distinctive famous Amos taste, I'm not sure how that really works, but I think that it's a little bit too much that of the amount that I use. So if you want to lessen the coffee feel, maybe you can put in half teaspoon instead, because I think it'll be better if I'm gonna try this again next time. The cookies were still really good, but I feel that coffee was a little bit much for me, so that's why I felt that way. Next, you can add in your flour, and I'm adding this in a few batches so you can mix it in slowly. If not, it will be a mess. Just slowly add in your plain flour and continue mixing, and then you can add it again so that you can do it without any mess. And then you can also slowly incorporate all the flour inside, and then once you're done with that, you can add your egg. So I'm adding half an egg here. tablespoon of milk. Next, you can add in your baking soda, and I also added in my favorite malted milk powder, so I just added a dash of that as well. And if you want, you can add that, or you can it's optional, so you don't have to add it. Then once that's done, you can add in your butterscotch chips. So I'm using the Hershey's one over here. Once you have mixed all of the chips into the batter, next you can prepare to refrigerate it. So I like to refrigerate my cookie batter so that's a bit easier. You can maybe refrigerate for 1 hour or however long you like, and then afterwards, once you're done and you're ready to bake, you can remove it from the fridge, and then you can prepare your pan so that you can add in. I'm using small balls to actually put it on the pan, so it's easier for me. And sometimes it's not all equal, but I try to make it as equal as I can. Yeah, gonna love these cookies because they were a big hit with everyone. Now it's ready to go into the oven, so I'm baking this at 170 Celsius, and then you can bake it for around 12 to 15 minutes. Once they are ready, you can enjoy, and thank you so much for watching the video, guys. That's all for today. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.